Venezuelan. What's up, guys? So today we are going to react to Diana Vьюга. It was like Blizzard, but you know, it's just my best try to talk in Russian. I hope I did much close to right. I hope it's not totally wrong. So leave in the comment if I did it correct or not, because you know I just went to translate and I checked it. It was like Vьюга or something like that. I hope I'm not wrong, and I hope you are not going to kill me for trying to to talk in Russian in the worst way that I can. So please. Also, I wanna say, bro, thank you so much to everyone from Russia who has been leaving comments, leaving likes, leaving information, bro. You're amazing. Really, this is the community that I thought, because I mean, bro, I wanted this. I want this connection with you, with me, with everyone, you know, share information, learning things. Also, I have been translating all of your comments, because I mean, for those comments that are in English, I can understand them perfectly, no problem. But you know, most of them are in Russian, so I have been using translate, and bro, it's just crazy. All of your comments, like going, great reaction. Diana is just amazing, bro, and it's just really amazing what we have done. And this is because of you, and this is because of me, and this is because of us. And I'm fucking happy because you like, I enjoying this, and this really, this is just unbelievable. Also, let me tell you a short story. My family is watching my videos, and my aunt, she told me like 3 days ago or 2 days ago maybe, she was watching one of my videos, and she just saw Diana and said, how? I mean, I can understand too. You know, she just watched 5 minutes, 6 minutes of the video, and then she went out to search information, to get more about Diana, because she just get surprised. And like everyone, I mean, it's not possible not get surprised with this girl, because she's amazing. You know, if you're part of this community, if it is the first video that you're watching from me, don't forget to subscribe, my Instagram, my Patreon. Don't forget to share the video, because it helps to us to grow up. Leave in the comment your favorite song from Diana or from whatever of your favorite artists, because I will react to them. And as always, the last one but not less important is enjoy.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня...
Yeah. That's the exactly reaction that I will do. Oh my god. Bro, that's me, dude. Really, that's me. It's like just 2 seconds, even 1 second, and I'm going to just press the button. Oh my god, yo, I identify myself with this man. I don't know who is that man, but this is me. I mean, I'm just going to listen 2 seconds, really, 2 fucking seconds, and I'm going to press it, because there is no way to wait more. It's just unbelievable. I mean, god damn, I mean, bro, it's just like that. I mean, it's Diana Ankudinova, simple. Yeah,
И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым, вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там, в тишине, приходит февраль.
In this occasion, I guess she's singing in Russian because I'm not understanding anything. So I guess this is Russian. So guys, can you leave in the comment? I will read, of course, the lyrics of this song, because I mean I'm not understanding anything. But I know this must be just amazing, because oh my god, man, she's doing again. She's doing again, and I'm sure she will do again and again and again and again and again. It's unstoppable. What we can do is, it's just amazing, dude. It's just amazing, and it's incredible. I mean, what? And also, I want to say, you know, thank you to I will leave the comment here. Thank you to the person who told me the history of Diana, because bro, it was really like complicated her life. Like, the person who said that told me like she didn't have as a mom in the beginning, because when she was going to born, I guess her mom died and just Diana survived. And also then she was put in a place for how can I say this, like guys or boys without family, orphanatory, I guess it's like that. I don't remember actually. So that's places, and then a family took her from that places and start to you know, teaching her like I mean because the person who said it was like she was 5 years or something. So bro, I mean, it's really a complicated child time, but I mean, look what she has done. You know, what does mean is like if you try, if you put effort in what you are doing, and you're doing with love, with work hard, and you know, you are trying your best, bro, that's the thing that you can found. I mean, it's like everything in this life, you have to work for that. So thank you to that person. Actually, sorry, I don't remember now the name, but it was like Pirelala or something like that. As I say, I will leave the comment here. But it was amazing. Thank you so much, because you know, I understand more. And then also the person who left the comment, she told me like she won too many competitions of sing competitions and stuff. So unbelievable, bro. I mean, it's like, it's just amazing. And we're watching here now, like, bro, she's just crazy. So I mean, she deserves this.
Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке.
And you know, I'm loving because also in the stage she has power. She's alone. There is no one dancing behind her, but she has power. She has precision in the stage, and that's also amazing, because you know, some artists are just, yeah, they're really nice singing, their voice are really nice, but they're like, you know, like but she's making moves, she's showing herself. So that is making the song better, more powerful. So that's really amazing too.
Не поймешь, где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Of course, bro, you know, but when I see this man is me. I mean, he just listen 2 seconds, and then press the button. That's what I will do, for sure. And also, in this video, I want to, I mean, it's not like, as I say, I didn't make that comment in the serious way or in the bad way in the name of this man. But also, you told me this man, actually sorry, but I don't remember now the name. She's really helping, or he was helping to Diana in her career. I mean, while she was growing up, giving a department in Russia and giving support, and that's amazing too. I mean, that's what you are expecting from the judges of these competitions. So it's really just amazing, really. I mean, as I say, I didn't want to say that coming in like, bro, he's stupid or no. I was like, just like, bro, you know, as I say in the video, and as the man did, I'm going to just listen 2 seconds and then I'm going to press it, because there is not way that I will miss up that. I mean, it's not possible. You have to press it. So now the boss is going to press that too. Vamos! Bro, god damn! Holy moly, what a voice! Oof. I'm not going to get tired of React and listen to Diana. Never do. This is just unbelievable. Diana. Okay, guys, I mean, I didn't talk too much about the song, but because I didn't understand too much. I mean, I'm so sorry, I didn't understand anything actually. But even when I didn't understand anything, I can feel, I was feeling the vibes of that song. I don't know, as I said, because I couldn't understand, it was Russian, but it was amazing. So please leave in a comment the meaning of that song. I will be really interested to know and check it. Also, if you like the video, as always, don't forget to leave your like. If you're new in this community, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any video of my channel, my Instagram, my Patreon. Don't forget to share the video, because really it helps to us to grow up. And just want to say thank you so much to everyone from Russia that has been supporting, comments, likes, everything, bro. It's really is just amazing what we have done. And see you in the next. Bye.